Hey guys, hope you all are doing great. So today we shall learn about the kitchen items. A kitchen is a place or a room with the cooking facilities wherein a person prepares, cooks and sometimes serves food. Bhojanam, which is a meal. Food served on the banana leaves absorbs the polyphenols which are said to prevent many lifestyle diseases. They are also said to have antibacterial properties that can possibly kill the germs in the food. Having food on the banana leaves is one of the most economical and inexpensive options to go for. Alpaharam, which is breakfast. It is usually little in quantity compared to a meal. Poyi, which is a stove. There are three means of cooking. Some use a stove built up with bricks and lit the fire using wooden sticks. And some use a stove wherein gas is used as a means of cooking, known as gas stove, and others use electricity as a resource in the form of an electric stove. Either of this can be used for cooking. Aggipette, which is a matchbox. So let us see the mechanism of how a matchstick works. Hope this might be interesting for you. So the red phosphorus in the side chemical of the box and the potassium chlorate in the head chemical brings about a chemical reaction due to the friction and impact when a match is struck. Then red phosphorus ignites and the head chemical catches fire, which lights a match. Now let's see about few ingredients that are in common to most of the kitchens. Chamuru or nune, which is an oil. Here in the example is an olive oil. Pasupu, which is turmeric. Karam podi, which is red chili powder. In common, it is just called as karam. Uppu, which is salt. Chakkara or panchadara, which is sugar. Palu, which is milk. Perugu, which is curd or yogurt. Tene, which is honey. Kodi gudlu, which is chicken eggs. Kodi means chicken and gudlu means eggs. Tragu neeru, drinking water, which commonly can be called as neeru or neelu. Either of it means water. Pandlu or falamulu, which is fruits. Kuragayalu, which is vegetables. Akukuralu, which means leafy vegetables and sometimes commonly known as green leafy vegetables. Now let's see about the different materials that are used in kitchen. Pingani, which is ceramic. That means any plate or a bowl or a glass made up of the ceramic material. Now let's see furthermore. Gaju, which means glass. Ragi, which is copper. Ukku or steel, known as stainless steel or simply steel. Kamsya, which means bronze. Bangaram or pasidi or puttadi. Either of it means gold. So for example, a golden plate, a golden spoon or a golden glass, which means the material is made up of gold. Vendi or rajatamu, which means silver. Kagitam which means paper. For example, a paper bag. That is, a bag made up of paper. Nowadays, people are using paper bags instead of plastic to prevent the plastic pollution or to minimize the plastic pollution. Chekka, which is wood. For example, a wooden spoon, a wooden bowl. So these are the different materials wherein utensils can be made. Now let's see about the few cutlery items that are usually found in any kitchen. Glass, ginne, which is a bowl, pallam, which is a plate, chemcha, which is a spoon, garite, which is known as spatula, katti, which is known as a knife, penamu, which is a pan, usually a dosa pan. Thank you for watching, guys. So please do subscribe to my channel to get notified about my upcoming educative videos.